SQL. Fine. For example, let's say, so mainly we have studied about what? Arrays. Correct? We have studied about what? Arrays we have studied. So in arrays, everything is into what? Columns and rows. R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. So whatever we enter, we have to store somewhere, right? Correct? For that, we use database to store. Correct? And then, how do we know what is stored where? For that, for database management thing, we use what? SQL respectively. Okay, for the database management system, okay, to get the data from the database. Correct? There should be a program language that a database understand. Correct? For example, we are seeing the screen. We can see here something called .pdf. Correct? This is in PDF format. So which means for the computer to understand PDF, it is written in some program language, maybe using Java or some other thing. Correct? It is stored in my laptop. Correct? So to retrieve from the memory location, the computer has to what? Analyze and has to retrieve the data. For that we use SQL commands. Fine. So that's the basic thing with the SQL. So whatever I told here, why SQL? Allow users to create and drop databases and tables. So yes, if I want, I can delete one folder. Correct? I am just right click. For example, what I can do now is I can right click here. Okay, I can right click somewhere here and then do something. Correct. If I right click in my computer, a lot of things will come. But I am not gonna understand what is meant by deleting the thing. So that is an internal operation done by the system that uses SQL. Architecture. So physical database will be there here. Correct? Database management system engine. Query. Query in the sense, for example, in search. Now we can see here something called search. Correct? If I'm giving here search, I can give something. I can give here SS EduTech. So the system has to understand that thing, right? Correct. For the system to understand these things, we use what? SQL query languages respectively. That's all. So to create a command, we use create. To select, we use select, insert, update, delete, drop. Drop means completely deleting it out. So again, I can classify these things into several other things. That is DDL, data definition language. Correct? Fine. It defines a conceptual schema. Schema is nothing but our table itself. That's all. Fine. Schema is nothing but our table itself. No need to worry. So in DDL, the most important thing is what? Create, alter, drop. This they can ask in the examination. Create, alter in the sense change. Drop in, I told you, entirely deleting the table. That's all. Data manipulation. Manipulation in the sense, I am manipulating someone. In the sense, I am trying to change someone. So I can either insert, I can update, delete, and select. Select in the sense, for example, there are 50 employees in a company. So I can select, okay, select from table name is employee. Table name is what? Employee table. What I'll select? Where salary greater than 50,000. If I give like this, the employees whose salary is greater than 50,000, those employees' name will be displayed. That's all. DCL. Correct? DCL, grant and revoke is there. Grant in the sense, suppose, let's take our Facebook. Okay, we are taking what our Facebook respectively. Facebook, we can log in through what? Username and password. So suppose if suppose I'm giving my password, a Facebook password to you, correct? So which means I am giving you the username and password. Revoke, which means after some time I think that I want to change my password. Then can you log in back to the Facebook? No, right? So which means I changed my password but not immediately. So which means I'm revoking the thing. Same simple concepts only. So everything is the real world concepts. Commit and rollback. Commit. Suppose committing, which means I will do this thing. I will get good marks in the coming examination, which means I will commit. For that, I'll study 5 hours per day, which means I am committing myself to study 5 hours per day. So it is permanent. Rollback. Rollback in the sense, currently I did what? I am doing the circle. Correct? I'm doing this circle. Can I remove this thing? I cannot. For example, see this thing. Yeah. I have what I did. I have removed, I have put a round to the circle here. Correct? Can I redo this thing? I cannot redo this thing. If I use commit, I cannot redo. But if I use rollback and if I draw a circle, then I can redo this thing. That's all. If I use rollback and if I do something, I can undo changes. That is the only difference between these two things. So this is general syntax. Char means char size, var char. Okay, fine. Just like integer character and all of these things, right? So this is one of the example which I told here. I told select from what? Select from employee, where salary greater than or equal to something. So here they are telling select name from student. So table name is student. The register number is equal to what? 109. That's all. So it will display that student's name here. Just like our greater than or equal to and everything we have in this also. Correct? And there is a general syntax. For create table, I had to use this syntax. Create table, table name. So create table, table name is employee. So I had to use emp. Column 1. Column 1 in the sense in the table. What is my first column? First column is employee name. So I will give what? Employee name. Data type is what? Char I will give. Char, that's all. Column 2 is number. Employee number. That's it. So this syntax we have to study for our examination point of view. This is the thing, syntax example. Alter. So we have to study all the syntaxes in these things. Fine, that we have to by heart and study. Inserting, so a lot of syntaxes are there that we have to study in this. So I would request you to please study this thing. Okay, write and practice each and every one of this.